Hey guys, Andy here. So I'm taking today a look at some new lights that are being used to illuminate the background at the moment. So I have my two main lights still in front of me, but I've been sent some lights to take a look at, which are LED, RGB LED, funky, clever. They're quite expensive lights, £280 I think. It's actually one of the most expensive things I've been sent. Just, Andy, review this for us. And that is the effect. So let's just take a look at what you get for your money. I wasn't really sure what to expect for £290 worth of RGB lights. I was a bit surprised by the size of the package, to be honest. A very big container. You get two lights, pretty big panels. They take the fairly standard battery that most sort of lights and other accessories take. You get like a diffuser panel. You get a, I don't know what you call this actually, reflective cone that will fit onto the light itself, and obviously you get one for each light. You get a power brick, which let me tell you, you don't get with all lights, so that's quite good. Obviously you get a power brick again for each light. You get an instruction manual for each light, and then obviously a stand for each light. And again, not all stands are equal either. These are pretty good, nice, sturdy stands. I was pleasantly surprised by the weight of them, to be honest. They're quite adjustable as well. The base is adjustable, and you just tighten up the thread when it's in the position that you want. Likewise with the extending upwards arm. In fact, I'm going to get it down a little bit so you can see the light on the camera. Get rid of the cellophane packaging too. So I've slapped a couple of batches in, and let's just have a bit of a play and see what it can do. So it starts off in like a demo mode, just rotating through the colours, but then you can change different modes. So I've got into sort of manual mode at this point, and I'm rotating through the colours myself. And in this manual mode, which I think is the mode you're going to use mainly, there's three different sort of positions for the cursor. One is the brightness of the light itself. This one is the colour. You can actually see a little line moving along the scale along the bottom. And then the final one is kind of the intensity of the colour. So if you go to 0, it's basically a white light. Crank it all the way up and it's full on colour. But when it gets really clever is when you've got both lights going and they connect across from one to the other. So any changes you make on the one light are instantly replicated on the other light. That's amazing. I think the only thing really these things will be missing is if you had a remote control, so you could just sit there and control them both at the same time. So I did mention some modes. Let's just, I'll show you some of the other modes and what it can do. We got fire engine effects. We got police effects. We got a simulation of a TV screen. Ambulance. And then lightning. If you're a budding YouTuber or an up-and-coming filmmaker, you could do a lot worse than these connected Switti RGB lights. I think it's pronounced Switti, I think. Even at £290, they are very good lights, very good product. And honestly, I'm not saying that just because I've been selling them for free. I'm surprised. I was thinking, a set of lights for what can you get for £290? You can't get for, I don't know, £80 or something. But they are very good. They are very good. Very good quality. Love the connected element. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Check out other videos on my channel. I have done a few different videos now on the different equipment that I use in my setup, so do have a look at that. Subscribe if you haven't already, but for now, my name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon.